go crazy, dance on the ceiling. My world is waiting up. Don't wanna stop, give up. I want it all.
Guys, did you just hear that, my voice? Anyway, hey guys, it's Sarah, and today I'm going to show you a really cool thing. Oh my gosh, I have a double chin. I'm going to show you a really cool thing that I'm going to show you how to make slime out of Play-Doh, and it's really simple. You only need 2 ingredients, so let's get to the video. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your Play-Doh out of your jar, obviously. And I'm just using some brown Play-Doh. I had an example that I already pre-made.
And sometimes it's hard when you take it out. This is not a new Play-Doh that I'm using. I'm using my brother's, but who cares? You're just going to want to knead it a little bit just to soften it up. And yeah, that's what you first want to do.
The next thing you're going to want to do is add some lotion, and I recommend Cetaphil or whatever it's called because it actually makes it really soft. And it does add a good smell, like, you know. And you're just gonna, personally like to poke a hole in the middle and just add it in that hole, then start folding it in. And it is gonna get messy, guys, so you're probably gonna want to wash your hands after. And yeah, but don't just add, like, one squirt isn't gonna do the whole job itself. In order to get it like stretchy, you know, like that, you're probably gonna need to add a lot of lotion. So I'm just gonna speed that up. Alright, so just saying, in that last clip, yes, I did add more lotion. Anyway, unfortunately, I do not have any exact measurement of the recipe, but I can tell you you have to add a lot of lotion to the Play-Doh. Also, you can also try this if you can't find Play-Doh. You can also try this with Model Magic clay. I don't know if you can try it with Daiso, but maybe you can. I'm not sure. And anyway, your results should turn out stretchy and still like a Play-Doh consistency, but also stretchy and able to, like, you know, spread. And I don't believe it should be pokeable, but maybe if you're lucky, it makes like a poking sound. And yeah, it does make a bit of a poking sound for me. So if you add a lot of lotion, it will feel slime-like. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. And comment down below if you want me to do any more DIYs or any more slime videos. Oh my gosh, I just dropped it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.